Hi, and welcome to my kitchen. High-end flavor doesn't have to be complicated. Today I'm making air fryer garlic parmesan potatoes in Cat Scratch Kitchen. The goal here is simple: a bold, cheesy crust that snaps when you bite it, revealing a perfectly steamed and fluffy center. It's the ultimate shortcut to a gourmet side dish. So grab your apron and let's start with the prep. I've got about 2 pounds of baby potatoes here. These are just little bitty guys. Every once in a while there's one just a little bit bigger. And they've been washed and scrubbed and towel dried. And all I'm doing is I'm cutting them into halves or quarters depending on the size so that they'll be nice and small and bite size and all cook evenly. And I'm going to chop all these up and then we'll put our seasonings on. All right, I've got our potatoes all cut up nice and small, and I'm going to add a tablespoon of olive oil. Just going to eyeball it. Then I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and I'm going to mince 2 garlic cloves. Now these are big cloves. If you know me, you know I like garlic, so not too much. We're just going to mince them and let them go into the bowl with the potatoes. Now we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now this we can adjust when we're done if we need to add more salt, but the Parmesan is salty too, so we don't want to over salt them. And a 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. While I'm doing this, I'm heating my air fryer to 400 degrees, and I need a 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan. Now I want Parmesan that's not real large. This is, you can see, this is pretty small. It's almost not powdered, but it's not the real stringy stuff either. So I need a 1/2 cup of it total. I'm going to put a 1/4 cup of it in right now, and I'll save the other 1/4 cup for when we take them out of the air fryer. Now we just want to stir it around to get everything coated. Get all that garlic spread around and Parmesan. Okay, that looks good. Now, I'm going to take my air fryer out and I'm just going to spritz the bottom of it with a little bit of oil. I'm using avocado oil. You can use whichever kind you like. And we're going to place in our potatoes. Nice, you can hear the sizzle already. Make sure we get all of the Parmesan and spices out. Now we're going to put them in the air fryer for 25 minutes. Now the first 20 minutes, we want to take it out and give it a shake about every 5 minutes. Okay, this is at the 10-minute mark. You can see we're starting to get some browning. We took it out and shook it once already. We're going to give it another shake, stick it back in for another 5 minutes. Okay, we're at the 20-minute mark. They're looking good. Now I'm going to add the rest of our Parmesan. And give it a quick stir. I've been stirring it in between just because it's heavy and it's hard for me to shake it, so I've been stirring it in between. Just a little more for luck. And now it's going to go back in at 400 still for another 3 to 6 minutes. Okay, our potatoes have dinged and they look fantastic. Nice and brown. I'm going to go ahead and plate them up. And I can tell they're done because I'm kind of mashing them sometimes with my spoon. Okay, there you have it. What a great side, or even just a snack. Nice and crunchy pieces, cheesy, garlicky. And I'm going to put a few chives on the top, just to dress it up a little, add a little bit more flavor. It'd be perfect just as they are with steak or chicken. Getting close to that time of year where you want to pull out that barbecue. Be perfect with that. And we didn't heat up the kitchen. Didn't take a whole lot of time. Only prep was cutting up the potatoes. I think it's a winner.